Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius, air sign. This is April monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius, air sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Okay, Nine of Pentacles. What are the messages for you, Aquarius? Two positive, one negative. Aquarius, what's going on? What are the messages for Aquarius? Two cards. Yeah. This connection creates a lot of anxiety, depression, and tension, trauma in you. You are fed up with this energy, Aquarius, and you are guarded up. Yeah. You want to protect your heart from these emotions because emotions are running high in you. You are guarded up. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Nine of Pentacles, Three of Cups, and Seven of Swords. So there was a third party situation. Maybe for some third party is involved in this connection. You person is sneaky playing games with you. Maybe there is you person is a player. There is no commitment and on and off connection. They are not available to you when you need them emotionally. So yeah, for sure, because Three of Cups with Seven of Swords, third party involved. So you decided to focus on yourself. So then you decided focus on your career, on your financial career. Especially you want to balance things within you. And Nine of Pentacles, for some you already achieved this balance. You are now financially very stable and emotionally also you are okay. You achieved that balance within you, Aquarius. And there is some celebration is coming, especially in career wise. You are getting success. That was past. Then present, Queen of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, and Eight of Wands. Again, you are holding back. You are holding back. You are not expressing any emotions to anyone, but there was communication is coming. Lots of communication. Eight of Wands energy. Someone wants to communicate with you. And Queen of Pentacles with Four of Pentacles, you are totally focusing on your career. You are creating more money. You focusing on your money right now. That's why you are holding back. You are not expressing your emotions. Then future energies, Five of Cups, High Priestess, and the Moon. So you are feeling sad, but you are okay right now, and your higher guides are with you because the High Priestess, you are listening to your intuition, you are trusting your intuition, and even though you are feeling sad, but you are okay now. And the Moon with High Priestess, you are manifesting something or someone into your life. There is some manifesting you are doing, and maybe your person hiding something from you. There is something mysterious in this connection. That's why you are holding back. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces. Then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. But you are holding back. You are guarded up right now. So let's see your person feelings and actions. Again, under the deck, Eight of Wands, there is communication is coming. Aquarius, lots of communication. Five of Swords, their feelings towards you. Yeah, this person is toxic for you. That's why you are guarded up right now. Because lot of things going between you and your person, and maybe they're obsessed with you. They are in and out of your life. There is no commitment still now. They're stuck on you. They're thinking about you, and maybe they backstabbed on you. Definitely they did hurt you in past. Still, this person may be toxic for you. King of Swords. They want to communicate with you. There is a lot of communication I am seeing here. So let's see their actions towards you. Aquarius. Right now your person also undergoing some transformation. The person involved in this connection could be Virgo also. So they're thinking about you a lot. Two of Wands and Queen of Wands and the Two of Swords. Again, this person is at some crossroads. Maybe your person have options. Maybe they're at some crossroads. They have to make their decision before coming towards you. And they're very passionate about you. They're obsessed with you. Yeah, they're at some crossroads. They have to make some decision and they're thinking about you a lot. So there is communication is coming, but clarity is not. Still your person is at some crossroads, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, this person is toxic for you. They keep putting you in waiting mode for some. For some it could be third party situation. Again they're wearing mask and coming back for reconciliation. They're missing you because you are the honest person in this connection. That's why they're missing you. But you healed from this hurt, Aquarius. Lot of you are healed. Yeah, you started moving on. And the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius also. So you stand by your power, but still you are also juggling. Maybe they're coming back. Communication is coming. That's why you are juggling. But then it's up to you totally, Aquarius, which decision you have to make. Yeah, you both are not contact with each other right now. You both undergoing some spiritual awakening, some transformation. You both, because this is the mutual card, the Hermit. So Page of Swords. Maybe you both are spying on each other, wondering about each other a lot. Maybe this your person spying on you a lot. Maybe wondering about you a lot, Aquarius. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Aquarius. There is more physical attraction what I'm seeing here. You are going to be make some decision because right now you are juggling here. You are confused which decision you have to make and communication is coming. But trust your intuition, ask your intuition and follow your intuition. So let's see what are your person overall energy for the month, Aquarius. They want to offer long-term commitment, coming back with an apology. This is mutual love and they are very passionate about you. Knight of Wands. They are very attracted to you. But maybe this person is toxic for you. Again, I'm saying. So let's see messages from your person and through the channel. Your pure perfection. Age difference. For some, there is a age difference between you and your person. Soulmates. Second chance. I have regrets. Toxic person. See. Yeah, for some, this person may be toxic for you. And they have regrets. And age difference. Soulmate. Second chance. And your pure perfection. Yes, they want second chance with you. Soulmates for some. And they have regrets. And they're feeling that you are their pure perfection. So you are very pure perfection in this relationship. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Aquarius. Expect powerful change. New moon eclipse. So some powerful changes are coming in your life, maybe in your relationship. You are manifesting something big into your life. You are become very strong emotionally. Maybe because powerful changes are coming. Be ready, Aquarius. I think you are focusing on your career, getting success also. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonated to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.